Hello everybody, this video is about how to use Google Docs. Google Docs is slang for Google Documents. And so this video is going to show you how to use them. So here we are at Google. First step is to sign in. So if you don't have a Google account, you need to go to where it says Gmail here and click on that and you can kind of set up your Google account. So sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And here I go. Alright, ignore that. Okay, so here we are. So we're at Google. You can tell by looking at the top right here that I am indeed signed on. You want to go to Google Docs. And sometimes you're going to find Google Docs right here in this little black toolbar. Sometimes it's not up, so you just got to press more. And you scroll down and there is Google Docs. Alright, so I clicked on it. And there it goes. And so you can see I have all these files on the internet. The nice thing about Google Docs is that it's kind of like a flash drive that you don't have to carry around with you. All of us have hard drives at school right now, but you can only really access your hard drive when you are in school. Google Docs allows for you to access your files wherever you are as long as you have internet access. Okay, you can upload files to Google Docs. It's a really easy process. It's just like saving. If you look over here, there is a create button and there's an upload button. So if I press upload, I go to files, and then you can just pick any file that you would want to upload, and then you would just press start the upload, and it shows up pretty quick, and then there it is. So here's my lit circle now. But what we're going to work on today especially is how do we create and share files. Because one of the great things about the Google Docs is you can create a file and then you can collaborate with a group member on the exact same document, and it's going to be live. So what we're going to do is we're going to do exactly just that. I'm going to create a document, and so I create it, and then I have a bunch of options. I can create like a Microsoft Word document. It's not exactly like Word, but it's pretty darn close. You can do like a PowerPoint, an Excel sheet, form, drawing, table, I mean pretty much anything. You're usually probably going to use a document, presentation, and spreadsheet. These are probably the top three. So I'm going to click on document, alright, and Google Docs is going to pop up. Alright. And the internet is incredibly fast today, as you can tell. Here we go. Alright, so you can, as you can see, it's not exactly like Word, but it's kind of Word-ish, so it's kind of nice. First thing we want to do is title it. So I'm going to title my document. And I'm going to entitle it Animals That Have Fur. I just thought of what I want on the spot. Here we go. So I'm going to press OK, and you can see that here is my my title. All right. So let's say that there are two tasks. So for whatever reason, your teacher gave you an assignment to study the different kinds of fur animals have, and you have to find animals that have stripes. And then you also have to have animals. This nice thing about Google Docs is that I can't spell when I'm on it. So, animals without stripes. Alright, so here we go. I can get it all ready to go. So I'm going to underline, make it look all nice. And the nice thing about Google is that every time you type something, it automatically saves. You'll notice up here it says saving. And so if your computer ever shuts down, it always saves. So here you can say all changes saved. So if I were to go ahead and make this bold, watch, it's going to go ahead and see saving. So that's really super awesome. Okay, so I'm going to do this with my group member here. My group member is going to be my student aide, who's just to my right. She's very excited to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share it with her. So you go over here where it says share, you click on share, and then there's going to be a place for you to enter your email address. So I'm going to type in my other account here. All right, and I'm going to share and save. Okay, and then it's done. And so basically what my partner then has to do is she's going to go back to her document screen. It's going to look just like that, and she's going to see this file right here. All right, so she's going to click on animals that have fur. Okay, and so we're both going to be staring at the exact same document. All right, now I'll know she's on because right over here there will be something that says one other viewer. So there she is. So I click one other viewer, and now what's really cool is that you can go ahead and talk to your partner. So if you're at home or whatever, you want to leave messages for your partner. If you're working at different times, you can go ahead and leave messages. So here we go. So I can say, hello, Sarah. And then she's typing, hello, Mr. Hyde. Okay. And then I'm going to say, I will list animals with stripes. You do the other one. All right. And then we can go ahead and we can go and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and do the animals with stripes. Hopefully I can think of a couple. I'm going to write zebra. Oops. Zebra. And then of course she's doing the same thing. I'm like, and then so you can obviously see it's showing up down there at the exact same time. So she says dogs don't have stripes. That's true, they don't. Some cats do. So I'm gonna write tiger. All right. And the whole time I can be writing her notes. So this assignment is awesome. And if she writes down something that I don't like, I can just be like, no, I don't like the cat thing, and I can delete it. And that will show up on her document as well. You'll notice that sometimes Google operates very quickly. But anyways, the point being is that this is a tool that you can use to really work and collaborate with your group members. And like I said, even if Sarah is not on at this exact same time, I can leave her messages on the chat room and stuff, and we can all work on this project together. So a really fabulous way of collaborating with your group members. All right. Now let's say that I don't want Sarah to edit what I'm doing. What I can do is I can go to her email address, which is mine, and instead of saying she can edit, I can click on she can only view. And that takes away her ability to edit the document. Okay, so it's a really great tool. You obviously have to save the changes for you guys to collaborate with your classmates. Okay, so if you have any questions, please talk to your instructor for more details. Thank you.